Hello friends and welcome to another video lesson from DBOS Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified of new uploads. This video is in the playlist called Linux Tutorial, and here we'll be learning more about how to navigate the Linux directory tree using the cd command. So it's the cd command in Linux, and cd of course stands for change directory. All right. And in a previous video in the same playlist, if you were following, then you might not have missed that I discussed briefly and at great length too about the cd command, as well as a couple of examples there, how to navigate the directory tree. So in this video, we'll be going a bit deeper into the use of the cd command. Okay. So let's see where we are. Okay, first let me clear the screen. And then let's see where we are. We also learned this command in a previous video, which is supposed to print the current working directory. So, okay, let me just go to the home directory. So I'm currently at the home directory, which is the home directory of the username called DBOS. All right, so that's our current location. Now, if I will execute the tree command, which I have mentioned in the previous video, you need to install this in order to have it if you want to use it. I'm only using this for this video so that you can have a better visualization of where we are relatively. Okay, so again, the dot here represents our current location, which is represented by the output of the pwd command, which is that /home/dbos. So that location is this. It's represented by the dot in Linux. That's the current directory. And if we want to go one level deeper, okay, let me just paste it in here so we can understand. So if you want to navigate to a directory one level below our current one, which is you go to snap, then we will just do a cd space and then the directory name, all right? And then if you do a pwd, you will notice that the pwd value has now changed from this /home/dbos to this /home/dbos/snap. And this, of course, is no surprise to you. This was added, I mean, our location changed because as an effect of this command over here, okay? So it's just easy. So from this location, if you want to go up one level down, then you will go cd space and then the directory name or folder name. Just bear in mind that in our conversation, in this video and the subsequent ones, if we say folder directory, they mean the same thing, right? But it's just that I'm trying to get you used to the term, because in Linux, it's more of directory rather than folder, although they are the same. Okay, so again, if we want to go one level deeper into this folder called tree, then I would say cd tree. And then if we verify it with pwd, you will notice that the value has changed, because from this location, absolute, we have moved one level down to this, which is, if we look at the tree, we came from this, and then we moved cd3, it went to this, okay? So that is moving one level down in the directory tree. What happens if we wanted to move multiple levels down? Let me just clear this because it's getting messy, okay? So again, okay, so this is okay, I'll show you the tree. And then, no, let me just go back to the home so we can get a better view. Okay, tree again here. So let's just say right now we are at this location. This is the pwd, which is the home. Okay, here, pwd is the home. And if we want to go two levels down, okay, so from here, I want to go to this two levels down. So from the /home/dbos, which is the output of the pwd, I want to go two levels down to here and to here in one go, in one command. So what I'm going to do is this cd space, and then the directory name I want to go to, snap, slash, I still want to go one level deeper. I want to go to this, then also the directory name. So it's not really that complicated, meaning you're doing a CD relative to your current position. So I'm currently located here, which is /home/dbos. I want to go 2 levels deeper to snap, and then 1 level more, which is 3, 2 levels. In relation to the current directory, I'll go 2 levels deep, snap, and then 3. So it also translates into this command, cd space snap /3. All right. And then no errors. And then if you issue the pwd command, then you will notice that the pwd or current working directory has now changed, indeed, 2 levels deeper than before. So from the home dbos formerly where we were at, it moved 2 levels deeper into this, which is equivalent to a representation of this location. This is the full path. Full path wherein the reference point or the reference location is always the root directory, which is represented by a slash. Okay? So in this first 2 examples, we have covered moving down the directory tree 1 level down as well as 2 levels down. Now, I don't have to give you an example of 3, 4, 5. The same logic applies. So if you want to move 5 levels down, it will be the same kind of logic, meaning CD and then the folder slash the folder slash the folder and so on. As you move, as you look at this directory, the same way that you look at it from a Windows point of view is the same. Okay, so when I say go level, lower, I'm going deeper. It's like you're talking about a subfolder, a subfolder. That's what I mean. Sub means under anyway. Okay, so from this, I don't have to cover going 2, 3. This example and concept here will already give you the tools needed if you want to go multiple levels deeper in the directory tree. That is, you will just repeat the use of the slash. Imagine the tree. So like example, if you're from here, you want to go to 54, the folder called 54, then from this you will say cd space tree /54. Or from here, you want to go to common folder, then you can say from here. From here you say cd space tree space, slash common. That's why, that's because the 3 folders here are at the same level. If you notice, under or beneath the directory called tree, we have 54 common and current, which are, if you notice them, they are at the same level. Okay. So from here, you can jump to here. From here, you can also jump to here. From here, tree, you can also jump to here. But it's the same concept. At every level, you will delimit it. You will use a slash as a delimiter, and then you will specify the folder name. Okay. So the next thing we're gonna do is this. Navigating to a directory 1 level above. Okay, let me just clear this thing so it's not messy. Same time, I wanna show you again the tree. So currently we are at /home/dbos snap tree, which is this. Okay. Now if we want, you don't see what's above. Okay. If we want to go, okay. So anyway, don't be confused with the tree. Look at the PWD. We are at this location, /home/dbos/snap/tree. Now you will learn about moving 1 level or multiple levels above. Instead of going deeper, you go above, okay, the tree. So meaning from this location, I want to go to snap folder, okay? You will use the cd quite differently, the cd command. Instead of cd folder name, you will do a cd space double dot. In Linux, the double dot represents the what's called parent directory. When we say parent directory, that's 1 level up. that's the folder or directory which is one level above your current folder or directory. Okay, so we're now at tree directory. I want to go to snap. I will do cd space, there's a space here, and then double dot. And if I do a pwd, it should now be /home/dbos/snap, and that's it. Okay, and again, if we want to go one level up, which means it will take me from here to /home/dbos, then I will do the same thing. cd space double dot, which is parent directory, goes there. If I do a pwd, then we're at /home/dbos, which means we went one level up from this to this. Now, I hope you can imagine that even without the tree, because I can show you what's happening just by highlighting our location, our relative location, our former location, our current location via the path, which is now highlighted, right? Okay, so right now we are at /home/dbos. We are here. Okay, this is the absolute path, meaning absolute path, the path which starts from the root directory. It mentions the root directory. This is the full path or the full path. Okay, so if I want to go two levels up, okay, let's just show that here. If I want to navigate to a directory two levels above me, so right now I am here /home/dbos. I want to go two levels up, which means here. Because one level above, it takes me to /home. Two levels above takes me to /. Okay. So I will do cd again, space, double dot, which means parent directory. And then I will do a / this time because I want to mention another folder location, another level. So notice that when you move up the directory tree, you're not mentioning the directory name or folder name, but rather you are replacing it with a double dot, telling Linux that you want to move up this number of levels. Okay, instead of the folder name, you are just mentioning double dot. cd / double dot means one level up. cd / double dot, sorry, cd space double dot / double dot. This means I want to move up two levels. Okay, 1, 2. For each set of double dot, that's one level up. So this means two levels up. So when I execute this, and then I do a pwd, now we're at root. That means from this location, /home/dbos, we move two folders up. One folder up, it takes you to /home, and another folder up takes you to the root directory, which is this one. Okay, so it's kind of, wait. Let me just show you this. Nope. cd home. Okay, so I am at this home/home/dbos. I want to go to snap tree. Okay, so I'm at this location. I'll show you again. Another example of going multiple levels up. So I'm at /home/dbos/snap/tree. Okay, for this. Now I want to go three levels up from this location. I want to go three levels up. That means I will end up at /home because one level up takes me to here, two levels up takes me to here, and then three levels up takes me to this. So I will do cd space. Again, instead of folder name, you are replacing it with a double dot, double dot, / double dot, / double dot. So it takes me three levels up the directory tree. And if I do a pwd, I'm now at /home, correct? Okay, so I hope you get it. In this video, we learn how to navigate up and down the directory tree. Don't worry, because we'll be covering this more in subsequent videos. We'll mix it up a little bit, but so that you can get bored. But here you know you've learned that to move down the directory tree, you will mention the folder name. And when you move up, you do a cd space double dot. And for each level of directory, you will not mention the folder name, but rather use a double dot. Okay, thank you for watching and listening. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe. And I'll be seeing you in the next video.